Hi, this is Dai from Localized Channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I want to share some interesting news which I found on the internet, so let's check it out. So at this morning when I checked my Twitter account, this tweet came up and right now it's going viral right now in the Twitter in Japan. So what about this tweet is that the previous Maiko, which is geisha's apprentice, said that, let's turn on the English thing so I'll read it up. So, this may be deleted, but it's truth about Maiko. When I was 16 years old, my customer made me get drunk and tried to force me to bath with them. I managed to run away. I want you to think about if this can really be passed off as traditional culture. The picture showed me drinking and winning a whiskey drinking contest against my customer once. So, she said that her customer forced to drink whiskey and she took the photo about drinking Yamazaki 18 years old. It's a very good one. Oh, here we are. Here we are. And let's read the next one again. So, for 6 years we live where we work, being paid nothing with just a little allowance for personal expense. The only communication with the outside world is a beer letter and public telephone. What? Maiko are not allowed to own cell phones. Why? Because if they know the outside world, they run away. By the way, Danna, the partnership still exists. If something happens, Maiko and Geisha will refer to themselves by that man's last name. I almost had my virginity sold for 50 million yen, and out of that money I would have received nothing. So this tweet will certainly draw anger from Kyoto. I am waiting in fear of them to contact me, but I will not give in anymore, because I have freed myself from the brainwashing of the Hanamachi world. Whatever they said, whatever they do, they cannot control my life. Oh my gosh. So, the geisha culture. I think you saw the movie Memory of Geisha. And when I do the tour guide, when I do the guiding in Kyoto, we have a night tour. And a lot of people ask, is geisha culture existing? And is geisha are prostitution? So I always say geisha culture is existing, but they are not prostitution. But from the apprentice Maiko, when they get age 20, they're gonna become a geisha, geiko in Kyoto. And Maiko, the apprentice, and she's under 20 years old. And when she was 16, she forced to drink with customer, which we call danna. So this coming out tweet goes viral right now. So you can see 92,000 are retweets and 219,000 likes. And right now it's trending in Twitter. So I put this on the description so you can check it out by yourself. And if you're interested about the geisha culture, first, I recommend you to watch the movie, The Memory of Geisha. So this tweet came up yesterday night and it keep retweeting. And right now, 93,000 retweets and 221,000 likes. So people are very interested about this Hanamachi culture, this geisha culture. Most of the Japanese also around the world don't know what's going on. The system, is this tweet is true or not? We're not sure, but I hope this is gonna be picked up in some internet media or newspaper and bring the problem to the public to discuss about this issue. Because in front, these Maiko, Geiko are represent of Kyoto and Japanese culture, and behind the scene, if these things are happening, it will be a big problem. So I'm very curious what's coming next and how Kyoto City gonna react to this tweet. So the second news is from the MBS News. This is a local paper from Osaka, and it said about yesterday, Sunday, June 26th, the lot of tourists saw in the Osaka Minami area, which is very famous for the tourists. And it said that the new cases of in Osaka 1,134 people a day, and the people who are using the bedrooms for COVID is only 1.1%. So the news wants to say that the cases are increasing, but the Osaka Minami, the tourist area, starts to look like before COVID. And they interviewed some people, and they said some tourists said they went to USJ and they want to eat some good food in Osaka, and we're gonna go back to Tokyo. And on the other hand, it said that they couldn't find the foreign tourists, and it said that from June 10th our border was reopened for package tour only, and the package tour is your tour guide gonna be with you from your entrance to Japan and when you go back to your country. All the way along during your stay in Japan, you are monitored, you are checked by the tour guide. And the news say that it might increase the number of the foreign tourists will increase July. But why July? The Japan travel, the border restriction still not eased, still 20,000 K per day. So how can they say that the foreign tourist visitor will increase from July? No evidence. This is the news I want to share today. I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to hit the like button, and please write it down, your comments, your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys